After you complete your first sale, you will understand the process a little better. You can start by creating or having us create a website to list your services and prices. Be sure to factor in future work in all your prices. Decide if you wish to charge monthly fees or offer a pay-as-you-go system. You can offer both and let your clients decide. Clients will always come back for updates on menu designs, or they may wish to upgrade or even add additional screens in the future. Often, clients open a second and third location, or already have other locations that they wish to install digital screens in. So make sure you are always doing a good job and your client base will expand in no time. Remember, this is a niche industry in big demand and not saturated in competition. Make sure you have a professional website as well as deliver flyers to fast food restaurants that are still using outdated printed menus. You can also advertise your services in local classifieds, such as Craigslist. People who need these services will find you, so make sure to advertise. Else, how will anyone find you? We will help you with all that. We will help you set up your price list depending on your location and the type of packages you choose to offer. A great way to determine what to charge is by finding out what digital signage companies in your area are charging and to charge accordingly. Remember, you are not limited to only digital menu boards. We also provide touchscreen solutions, menus on a tablet, point-of-sale systems, and hardware ranging from media players all the way to power plugs, allowing us to turn a screen on or off from anywhere.